Interrupted with Libstdc++ library blocking your development runtime software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Get the professional Libstdc++.dll fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Libstdc++, the generic C++ standard library. It provides the unmanaged core for object-oriented logic and memory allocation, acting as the primary runtime manifest for modern C++ software data links. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Libstdc++ is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan, now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Libstdc++ component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Libstdc++ DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Libstdc++.dll. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Libstdc++.dll critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.